Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Custom Paint. Today I'm going to show you a super cool effect, how to layer and overlap neon colors so they pop and glow like crazy. If you ever wanted that wild eye-catching finish, this is a trick for you. First I'm going to use Limeline's Fine Line Tape. This allows you to get a nice crisp clean edge. I'm going to be using two different colors of tape, a green and a blue. Each one represents a different color that I'm laying down. In this case, it just so happens to match the colors I'm using. The first step I like to do is lay down both my colors at the same time. This helps me see what my project is going to look like in the end. I will then pull the blue tape and get to work on the green. A few more adjustments and we're ready to move on to the next step. I will then use some 1-inch masking tape to help get this thing masked off. Now I'm going to lay down a bright white base coat. That's key for neons. They need that bright foundation to really shine. Spray light coats, letting each coat flash off until you get full coverage. Here I'm starting off with the Limeline Neon Green base coat. You'll mix this 50-50 with reducer. I'll be using Limeline's .8 minigun to spray the neons. Again, light passes at a time to keep it from getting blotchy. Now it's time to pull the tape to get ready for the next color. I did spray a couple of coats of clear base coat over the green to lock it down to help protect it when we put the blue on. We're going to use our fine line tip again to lay out the graphics for the blue. We will then follow the same steps as we did for the green, which includes the masking, the white base coat, and then the neon color. We will then apply 3 to 4 coats of 2K clear coat before we move on. After the 2K clear coat has cured for 24 hours, we're going to use a Bueller pinstriping tool to lay down some black lines over our neon shapes. This black outline really makes the neons pop. I did take an old paintbrush and dipped it in blue and green base coat and then quickly brushed it over the shapes to give it this cool effect. And that's it! Overlapping neon colors is all about light coats, clean overlaps, and letting the colors do the work. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Diamond Custom Paint, and drop a comment. Let me know what neon combo you'd try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.